All right, girl. You got 5 kibbles left. 5 kibbles left. There you go. Oh, shit. 4 kibbles left. What are you going to do? What are you going to do? You got to spin that real hard. You got to be strategic, okay? You can't put all your money on red. Okay, you think your mouth will spin better than your paw? Go at it. Think your mouth is working. Hey, use your paw. Your paw. You gotta do it really hard. There you go. You got 1. Oh. Taxes. Sorry. Taxes. You got 3 left. You got 3 left. Here. Come on. Come on. You got 3 left. You gotta spin it kind of hard. See, these 3 are gonna be really hard because there's only 3 left. No, you can't cheat. Go back over here to your lever that you've bitten. Like, Jesus. Go back to the lever, baby. No, you cannot open up the top. Don't cheat. It'll come out. It'll come out. It'll come out. I mean, whatever method works. Right? See, having 3 in there is really hard. No, you cannot take off the top. Okay, that is called cheating. And then you get escorted out of the Venetian, never to return.